Assalamu alaikum students, this is Adika Batul and today we are going to discuss about terms associated with motion. Lecture number 1. Well, motion is a common experience in our daily lives. Whether it's a car moving on the road, a bird flying in the sky, or even we are walking. Motion is all around us. In physics, understanding the basic terms of motion is essential for describing how objects move. Today we will learn about these key terms in a simple and understandable way. So let's start our video. Well, there are basically 7 terms associated with motion. The first one is rest, motion, distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and the last one is acceleration. As in previous video, we have already discussed the term rest and motion. The link is in the description below. But in this video, we are going to discuss about distance and displacement. Well, distance and displacement are the two names of the same quantity, that is length, but they are different. Now, let's see how they are different from each other. Well, distance is the total length of the path an object travels. It tells us how much the object covered the length on the ground, without telling us the direction of the body. While displacement is the straight line distance from the starting point to the ending point, along with the direction. Let's understand these concepts with the help of an example. If your friend asks you how far is your school from your home, and you tell him that it is about 4 kilometers, so that is actually you told the distance of your school from your home. On the other hand, if you reply that it is 4 kilometers straight towards east, so this time you are telling him the displacement of your school from your home, because you add the direction in the path. Remember that if the path of the body is closed, means the starting and ending point is same, then in this case the displacement is 0 because there is no specific direction, but distance may not be 0 because body covers some length. So students, this is the concept of distance and displacement. In the next video, we will discuss about speed and velocity. So don't forget to watch and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.